In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track AliExpress orders. If you've placed an order and want to see exactly where it is, I'll walk you through the process on the website and explain what each screen means so you know what to expect. Start by going to www.aliexpress.com in your browser. Make sure you're logged in to the same account you used to place the order. If you aren't signed in, look toward the top right of the page for the sign in option. Once you're in, head to My Orders. You'll usually find it in the account menu at the top right. This opens your order list, which shows recent purchases along with their current status. In the order list, locate the specific item you want to track. You can scan by the product thumbnail, order date, or the order number if you have it handy. If you order frequently, it helps to check the status tags like awaiting shipment or shipped to narrow it down. When you found the right order, look for the Track Order button. Sometimes you may see a View Detail link first. Open that and then select Track Order within the order details. Both lead you to the shipment tracking page for that order. On the tracking page, you'll see shipment details provided by the carrier. This is where the timeline lives. Updates like accepted by carrier, departed facility, in transit, arrived at destination, out for delivery, and delivered. It's normal for updates to appear in batches or with a delay, especially when the package is moving between countries. Carriers can take a day or two to sync, and time zones may make the timestamps look a little off. If your order shows processing or awaiting shipment and there's no tracking yet, it simply means the seller hasn't handed it to the carrier. Check the estimated ship out window in your order details to gauge when tracking will start appearing. If you ordered multiple items together, don't be surprised if you see more than one tracking line. Sellers sometimes split a purchase into separate packages, each with its own number and timeline. As your parcel travels, revisit the same track order link to follow the latest scans. Look for milestones like arrived at destination country or handed to local carrier, which mean it's getting close. Once you see delivered, compare the delivery date to your expectations, and if anything looks off, review the detailed scans to see where it was left. That's it. Go to AliExpress, log in, open My Orders, find your item, click Track Order, and read the shipment details with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.